All three. PEMDAS PEMDAS PEMDAS. It's a happy alphabet song. Are this wrong?
Wait, it's not a happy alphabet.
All run.
Wait, it's not a 6-step checklist.
Are.
Multiplication and division have equal precedence.
Oh, wow. PEMDAS is only 4 steps and not 6.
Oh, wow. What will we sing about now? Maybe we can sing about BODMAS.
Look, the D is before M in BODMAS. What does that mean? PEMDAS and BODMAS mean the same thing. Multiplication and division have equal priority.
Division is equivalent to multiplication by a reciprocal. It's the same thing.
So PEMDAS is not magical. Do you understand PEMDAS? It's not a 6-step checklist. P stands for parentheses, and E is for exponents, factorials, or square roots.
Multiplication and division have equal precedence. It's not always M before D.
Remember, in mathematics, addition and subtraction have equal precedence. You don't force addition before subtraction.
These are all different ways to remember the order of operations in mathematics. Now, all of these acronyms describe the same 4 steps of order of operations. Step 1 is parentheses or brackets. Exponents, factorials, or square roots. Anything that is shorthand for repeated multiplication. Step 3 is multiplication and division. They have equal precedence. Solve them left to right. Division is equivalent to multiplication by a reciprocal. The acronyms are not a blind 6-step checklist. Step 4 is addition and subtraction. They have equal precedence. Subtraction is just the addition of a negative number. The acronyms are 4 steps and not 6.